I'm Derrick Stolee. I work at GitHub, and I'm a contributor to the Git project and other projects related to Git. Git is the distributed version control software that's taken over the world. Almost every developer uses Git in order to track their source code and history and to share it on places like GitHub. Git welcomes contributors from all over the world, and we specifically look for people who have some sort of itch they want to scratch, something that they've noticed in Git that they've been using that they would like to improve for their own workflow is where most contributors come in. We have a few items that are kind of cleanup and refactorings that require a little bit of care, and we have a few features like improving the Git sparse checkout built in or the Git maintenance built in that are relatively new features that have some more polish that could be added. One of my favorite features is the Git sparse checkout, which allows you to take your working directory and scope it down into a small set. Usually you start from small and you grow it, and the command is built that way too. So you can do things like set to this scope or to grow it by adding directories. But it'd be interesting to be able to remove directories one by one. I also work on a maintenance built-in, which is a way of keeping your Git data clean and running fast. And that has a few more things that are taking over for the git gc command. And those git gc tasks could be pulled into the maintenance built-in. The number one skill for working in Git is to be very motivated and persistent. You're going to have to learn a lot on your way and be able to be self-directed in terms of learning what people have done before and taking that as an example. Of course, it does help to have some C programming and shell scripting experience. To get started, you can subscribe to the Git mailing list where all of our communication happens, where all of our patches are submitted and reviewed. But also you can take a look at the Git for Windows contributing guide, and also the Git Gadget Git repository, which is a way for easily submitting patches, and it includes an issue tracker.